Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I've been planning to make this video for quite a long time now because I've been seeing a major issue from one major manufacturer. And as you know, the freedom sales kickstarts from tomorrow, both from Amazon and Flipkart, and there are tons of offer from both the from mobiles and electronics, as you can see. So if you are planning to buy a mobile, just stay a bit cautious about Motorola because something really bad has been happening to Motorola since the past, I would say 1.5 years, from 1.5 years uh, approximately, because I published this one video, which is the Motorola software fix. It's basically a software that you can use to repair your Motorola if you have any software issues. And it's strange because the comments that you can see is mostly uh, just says Motorola is bad. If you can see, we have all sorts of Motorola models, like from budget to the mid range to the absolute top end mobiles that have severe hardware issues. It doesn't have to be after necessarily have to be after an update, software update, which is usually the case. But even after just random rebooting, you might face this issue, whether your microphone would be just going off or your entire motherboard gets switched off for some reason, and the only way to repair it is to take it to some Motorola service center, where they would charge you approximately half or maybe 75% of your mobile's price, depending on what model you purchased. And the list goes on and on and on. And as I said before, it doesn't have to be there isn't a specific reason why this is happening, but one thing's for sure, it has been happening from the past 1 year. So that is something concerning, and it's affecting users from everywhere, even from Poland. And a lot hasn't been registered yet, or a lot users haven't been able to voice their voices yet. But if we if you can see it, the list goes on and on and on. Green line is something, yeah, sure, it's something related to software update, but everything else, if you can see, it's random. It doesn't make any sense. It just happens out of nowhere. And just consider the situation: you bought a mobile, after 1 year it just gets out of warranty, and then this issue happens. You basically have to pay for another mobile to get your old mobile fixed, which is just ridiculous. Now, it's a it's a widespread issue. Motorola needs to address this, and I've been planning to make this video for a long time because there are a lot of users complaining about this, and there's no particular solution. Motorola hasn't addressed this issue yet, and it's mostly happening with Motorola phones. None other that I can see or I have seen has this issue, especially these kind of issues. It's not just with the battery, it's not just with the display, it's not just with the motherboard, it's not just with the microphone, it's the complete phone. We have some issues around all the specific models. Now that is something concerning. So if you are facing this kind of issues, I would really appreciate if you can comment it down in this specific video, because YouTube has a tendency to promote videos which are of major concern that the authorities have to be notified of. So this is a platform for us to raise your voice if you're facing this kind of issues, and I'm mostly sure you would be facing some kind of issues if you are on a Motorola phone. And I highly suggest that you don't go for Motorola phones this sales, especially since the price would be cut pretty much down, and mostly the models will be having some sort of issues or the other. So it's a widespread issue and it needs attention. I highly encourage every one of you who is facing the issue to comment down below what issue you are facing. And this issue has to get to Motorola one way or the other. They have to fix this issue, because Motorola was once known for selling amazing phones, especially in the 10 to 20k market. Now it's all going haywire and it has to be fixed somehow. So that's all for this video. I really appreciate if you comment down below what your thoughts on this. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys in the next one.